Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to create a pop-up discount in Shopify, boost conversions. Creating a pop-up discount in your Shopify store can be a game changer, whether you're aiming to engage brand new visitors or reward your loyal returning customers. A well-crafted pop-up can be incredibly effective in boosting conversions and driving sales. Today, we're diving deep into the steps needed to set up this powerful tool on your Shopify platform. Alright, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. This is your main control center for managing your entire store. Once you're in, head over to the My Store section. Think of this section as your Shopify homepage, where you can manage all the essential aspects of your store. Now, look towards the left-hand sidebar, and you'll find the Settings option. This is the central hub where all configurations related to your store take place. Once you're in the Settings menu, locate and select Apps and Sales Channels. This particular section is crucial as it helps you manage all the integrations and tools that enhance your store's functionality. Now, to find the right tool for creating pop-ups, you'll need to visit the Shopify App Store. Click on the link provided, and this will open up a vast world of applications designed to expand your store's capabilities. In the Shopify App Store, it's time to find a pop-up tool that aligns with your needs. Head over to the search bar at the top, type in pop-up and hit enter. You'll be presented with a variety of apps, each offering different features. The one we're focusing on today is called PopConvert, Pop-ups and Banners. Once you spot it, click on it to delve deeper into its details. On the apps page, you'll see an install button. Click on it to begin the installation process. You might encounter prompts asking you to authorize the installation. Just follow these to continue. After installation, return to your Shopify admin panel to find the newly installed app. Open it up to explore the range of features it offers. Now, within PopConvert, start by clicking on Templates. Here, you can browse through a variety of pre-designed pop-up options. Choose a template that resonates with your brand's style and click on Use Template. Remember, a captivating design can significantly catch your customer's eye, so make your choice wisely. Once you've selected a template, it's time to customize it to fit your brand's aesthetic. You can change the background color, the main title color, and even the text color to better match your store's look and feel. You also have the option to update the background image to something more personalized. Simply click on the respective options and make the necessary adjustments. After perfecting the design, shift your focus to the conversion settings. Here, you can tailor the messages your customers will see. Crafting meaningful and persuasive copy can dramatically impact the effectiveness of your pop-up. Don't underestimate the power of words, make them enticing. Next, click on Content. Here, you have the option to add an image if you wish. Don't forget to upload the file after selecting the image you want to use. Also, within the Content section, click on Form Settings to tweak any placeholders you might want your visitors to interact with. For finer control over your pop-up's behavior, navigate to Settings within the PopConvert app. You can set when the pop-up should appear after a delay of 5 seconds, immediately, or even after 7 days. Experiment with these settings to find out what works best for your audience. Finally, don't forget to name your campaign. This helps in easy tracking and management. Once everything looks good, hit the Save button. Preview your work to ensure everything looks perfect before it goes live. And that's it. You've successfully set up a pop-up discount on your Shopify store. Remember, the key to success is continuous testing and tweaking to find the most effective setup. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to create a pop-up discount in Shopify, boost conversions. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.